I was sent this portable glue gun and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's see what you're going to get sent to you in the box. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. You're going to get the glue gun itself. You're going to get an instruction manual, a little pad here that you can put the gun on here like this to stop it from leaking out. And you're going to get 30 tubes of this heat gun glue. And this is super helpful because you're going to go through a lot of these as you're using this gun. So let's try it out here. The beauty of this is it runs on a Milwaukee compatible set of batteries, and you don't have to plug it in or anything. You've just got a nice handle here, and you've got an on-off switch. Very basic tool, and it works great. So we're just going to take this here, plug it in. Got a Milwaukee compatible battery here. I'm going to take one of my pieces of glue. Go ahead and turn it on. Get a red indicator light telling me that it's warming up. I'm going to take my piece of glue tube there, slide it down in, and then once you get it in here, this starts to grab, and it starts to push it and pull it right through into the gun, where it'll quickly start to melt as the gun gets hotter and hotter. It's got a nice brass tip on the end there. And here we go. We're starting to see some glue start to come out there. It's nice and melted already. We're ready to go. So what I'm going to do today, I've got a couple pieces of plastic here that I needed to attach. This hanger hook here needs to hold onto this bracket here. So a glue gun is just perfect for stuff like this. I'm just going to start to set it on to one of the surfaces here, apply some of the glue, just squeezing the trigger here and pulling that glue through as it's melting onto that surface there. And then on my other one here, I'm going to put a little here as well. Just kind of dab some on. Then I'm going to attach the two pieces together like this and let that glue ooze into all the gaps and tighten itself up into there. Makes a nice tight bond because that hot glue just seeps into whatever you're working with. Really easy to do. And it's already taken a set. You can see that it's already connecting up. And now give it some time to cure, and then we'll be ready to go. So that was just a quick and dirty example, but it just shows you how easy it is to use these guns and how fast they work. It's so convenient to not have to plug this in. You can take this in the field with you anywhere you're working. If you've got your equipment on the road in the back of your truck, then you just pull this out whenever you need it, and you need to drop a bead of glue anywhere like this, you can just start to squeeze that out and add that on there. Works like a champ. And I like how this thing, when you release that trigger, it really stops the flow. So I don't have any problem with excess glue dripping out of here and getting wrecked, making a mess. I just flip the switch here and then I turn it off. And that's it. We're done and ready for the next job. So hey, I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this Milwaukee compatible hot melt glue gun. Hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.